Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check your YouTube earnings without the need to log in to your Google AdSense account. And this is a new option or a new update added to the YouTube Studio application. So to do this, you just need to open your YouTube Studio application like this. Of course, you have this estimated revenue option, which is available always here in the app. And this is why it's so important to have the YouTube Studio app. And also in the menu in the bottom of the screen, you have this earn option. Click on it. And as you can see, you will see here in an easy way all the information that you may need about your payments on YouTube. You can see your payment activity and also you can see your next payment and the actual month and what are you making in the actual month. So in that way, you can see all the information needed without going to your AdSense account, and you will need your AdSense account only when you are going to take your payment. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.